Alright guys, me again. Here's my grandmother's SoleusAir ductless heat pump running in cooling mode right now. It's like at 95 degrees outside. This actually cools the garage that has been turned into a music room. So this thing pretty much runs 24/7 in cool mode when my grandpa's in the music room. So this is technically his. That's pretty much the only time this thing ever runs. It's pretty nice unit. It's rolling out the air. And you're thinking, why are you filming a ductless unit? I thought you didn't like ductless units. Well, turns out this one's from 2000. It's from where is it? It's from 2004. So this thing is pretty old. About 15 years old and still kicking. It is a 1.5 ton heat pump, as almost all ductless units are. This is by far my favorite ductless unit of all time. Not sure what kind of compressor it has. Probably an LG or of some type. This thing is big. It heats good too. This thing cools. Suction line's freezing up again, as you can see, but it'll defrost. It always defrosts. For some reason, it goes through this cycle where it, there's the dog. His name's Judge. For some reason, it goes through this cycle where it'll freeze up, then it'll defrost, and repeat the cycle. So I don't know what is going on with this thing. Could be just a tad bit low on Freon. But I find that funny that it keeps repeating the same cycle. It freezes up, it defrosts, freezes up, and defrosts. Here's the condensation drain for it. Condensating pretty well. So, yeah, line set. So, hang on a second. Wondering where I was. So, pretty good unit. This is by far my... And this right here actually tells you which direction the fan is going, which is that way. And there's the dog again. So it's a pretty good unit. Works well. And it's gonna defrost again pretty soon, but this thing sweats pretty good. And of course the small line gets cool. For some reason when it freezes up, it doesn't become as cold. The smaller line used to condensate as well, but it doesn't do that anymore. Unfortunately, I can't go into the room right now because my grandpa's recording, so yeah. Pretty good unit. Made in China, unfortunately, as all of these ductless units are, but it's my favorite unit because for one, it's old, because, you know, I like old things, and for two, it has a AC powered compressor, alternated current, which is just regular, what is used in central air conditioners and window air conditioners, typical rotary compressor, as all of these units use. It's just the dryer vent. Yeah. Still kicking. Still hasn't defrosted yet. But, and three, I like it because, it's a heat pump. Don't see too many of those in California. And four, I like it because, what was I going to say? I believe it, I like it because I believe it does have defrost. So, if my grandparents ever decide to replace this, I will take it. Which is going to be in the far future. So, I will take this unit, and I will use it in my garage once I get a house. So, and it just shut off. Perfect timing. Guess I'm at the temperature demand. Yeah, I think this is pretty loud, and all the frost went away. Yeah, it cycles. Whenever you shut it off in heat mode, the reversing valve switches, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And you get to hear that big whoosh. So, pretty good unit. There's the fan. Pretty big blades. It's got I'm not sure what motor it has. I can't see it because of the blade now. But, anyways. Thanks for watching.